Here's the door wedge with the alarm. I love this thing. We feel very secure with it. We live in an apartment. Just as simple as that. You turn it on, you place it down, and then if the door triggers it, it does make quite a loud noise. It is alarming to say the least. For us, I did a little extra step here. I put a 3M Velcro on it just because it's going on carpet, because it does have this nice pad here to keep it from slipping, but I liked the idea of the Velcro to lash onto that carpet even more. So once it's down, there you go, nice and secure, and moving it back, you know, it's stuck. It's really nice. So I love it. I do recommend this. I think anyone should have this, whether you're single, family, you know, apartment or single home. Well worth the investment.
So right now we're going to talk about this little device that is completely inexpensive, that I use nightly to make sure that I have a heads up if someone should try to come through my front door. So all you do is turn it on, put your batteries in, of course, turn it on, and I usually put mine about right there. And let's say, obviously the dog can come by it and it won't go off, but let's say somebody tries to come through your front door. As you can see, not only does it alarm, but it works as a door stop. So I highly recommend this product.
As you can see, it wasn't quite tall enough for my door, so I bought a couple of these guys, little door stoppers. Put a rubber band on there, which kind of made it sticky. And it's very loud, and it works excellent.